Okay, I just had a Calamity in Creatorsville, my favorite blue cup. Just took a header off of my desk and I broke my handle. I'm going to try real hard not to show any logos or anything. I don't want to break any rules. But we're going to see how strong E6000 glue is, or sorry, B7000 glue. My favorite glue. We're going to see if this will work. I've got my glue. I'm going to go around. I'm going to put it on the inside of this one. Now, I never put this cup in the dishwasher anyway. I'm sure after this I would not want to put it in the dishwasher. But hand washing would probably be just fine. So I'm going to do that. Set that over to the side. And then I'm going to go around the edges on my handle. And I'm also going to just put some glue on the inside of the plastic that stayed on the handle. Doesn't take a whole lot of glue to cover. And like I said in another video, I love this glue because it has this needle that goes into the application tip to keep it clear. I have yet to have this glue shut on me. Alright. Make sure I'm on camera for this. And I just put that into place. Doesn't take long for the B7000 glue to grip. Might take a little bit longer since this is actually a pretty cold container. I probably should have dumped all my water and ice out, but that's just such a waste of water and ice. Now, of course, I'm not going to pick it up by the handle anytime soon. I'm going to give it, I think it needs like 24 to 48 hours to fully cure. So what I'm going to do is I'll end up splicing this video, and in about 24-48 hours I'll come back. I'll do a review about how well it's holding, and splice it into this video. So this video isn't going to get posted right away. But I think it'll be kind of neat to see how this does. I got some glue oozing out on the sides here, which is, I guess, good. Not bad, I mean. Okay, so 24-48 hours, I'm going to come back and we'll see how well my handle is staying in place. Thanks, guys. So, okay. Checking back in, I had broke my favorite mug or cup. I always use this for water to pop in the mornings when I go to work. I'd broken my handle off and I'd used my B7000 glue to glue the handle back in place. This has been about 48 hours since then, and I've already used like a full cup of ice water in here. I can tug at this. I mean, I can really put some pressure on it, and it's staying sealed up. It's not falling off. My cup has been rescued. So, there you have it. B7000 is the bomb. Alright, catch you guys on the next one.